Good morning. We're back up at the cabin. It's Friday, July 3rd. My dad and I here. I just got here. Just had to stop at Home Depot. I was not expecting these to come in. I got 4 windows. It's the rest of the cabin. Got a 6 foot by 4 foot and then 4 foot by 4 foot. So we're gonna put those in, bring them into the house, and then I'll figure out how to store them. I think the 4 footers will go downstairs, and then the 6 footer we're just gonna have to put where the fireplace kind of spot is for now. That 6 foot by 6 foot or 6 foot by 4 foot window actually is right here, right there. We might get that out today and try to put the new one in with the new sheathing, but I don't know, that would be a lot. So I'm hoping we just get the sheathing in today, and then I can work on getting the actual window in later this weekend. But we'll get going. We've run into our first situation or issue, I guess. That's the box there. This is the window here. As you can see by the window, there's no way it's fitting up these stairs because it's an A-frame. It's the roof here, and then there's just not. You can't. There's no way to get it up the stairs. I was trying to figure out how I got it up last time, and I realized it's because the windows are only 3 foot by 4 foot, and so I was barely able to fit it. These are 4 foot by 4 foot, and so our only option that we're thinking of is coming out here on the picnic table, stand on that, and then bring it up the deck this way, and then through the door up here. To make it easier, this railing is going to have to come down anyways. I'm gonna recip this section of railing out and make it a little bit easier to get the windows up. It's got to come out anyways. We don't use it, so as long as the dogs whatever don't go up there, we'll be all right. So we'll do that now. Did not want to hit the fence. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I guess so. It's pretty flat. Okay. All right. I meant to throw it over the fence, and I didn't quite make it. I mean, if you want, I can put like a towel or something there. A cushion? Oops, sorry. There, we'll get another one. Big. Okay.
I tilted on that corner.
Here, you know what, Dad? Just
I tilted. You can drop a corner.
okay. I got it. You hold this upright?
Yep. You got it?
Yep. I'm just joking. I don't think my dad ever said bad word in his life. Oh my gosh. They nailed right. Oh. So we're just pulling off the trim. There's the Romex running through the trim. And I don't know if the nail is, it looks like it just missed the Romex down there. What in the world? It looks like it runs up here as well. I'm gonna figure out how where to put that. So we pulled back the insulation. It's a giant mess of wires in here. I'm gonna have to shut off the power. I'm actually gonna have to pull this one. I didn't. So this one it's outside via the deck. I'm guessing it goes. There's a hole going in through the crawl space. I gotta pull it back in and just cap it off for the time being. That's just dumb wiring. All right, we're just back from lunch. We got all this down here cleared out. I'm gonna try to put this window in. So we gotta take this window out, obviously. I have a flange on my other one, so I'm gonna have to just cut out a section of this. I don't want to replace this sheathing today. I don't think we'll have enough time to do that. So just leave this for now, but cut it out so I can get the flange in there. Pull this one out. This one, like the last window on the other side, was only held by 4 screws, it looks like, from the inside. So hopefully it shouldn't be too terribly hard to get out. And then we'll have to measure everything out to make sure that we can get the new one in. And hopefully that'll go all right. Okay. No. Oh, yeah. Ouch. Elbow. Oh, that hurt. You okay? Yeah.
Okay, slow.
Yep. You set it down.
Okay.
I got it.
Got it.
We're gonna pivot it. You can walk down. So when my dad and I we were trying to take the one window out, this board here is bowed. We couldn't get the other window out, so I'm gonna have to reframe that so that's flush or level. All right, we got this figured out. This was bowed substantially in the middle. So we just popped up each end, and as you can see, there's a, I don't know, 3/4 gap there, maybe 3/4 there, and it's now flat. It's a flat surface. It's sloping out. It's level, and there's a gap down here. Right there, the 2 there is fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some scrap ones, just nail them into the side here, the length that I need for whatever that is, and then these as well. And that way that'll support it versus, this is a lot for some shims. So we'll just throw some in there. All right, we've had it on time lapse pretty much the whole time here, but I was not envisioning I had to do this whole panel, but in order to get the window, we put in the whole panel. The window is not flashed at all. We just set it in here. It's getting late in the day. I'm going to come back in a couple days and do this. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. My wife has some craft festival thing that I have to help out with, so I won't be out here tomorrow, but I'll be up here back on Sunday, and I'll finish flashing all this. We got a big giant mess to clean up, so we're gonna call it a day. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's Sunday morning, July 5th. I was not up here yesterday. I was at a craft festival with my wife, helping her set it up and take it down over in Fort Lupton. So we didn't make it up here yesterday, and so yeah, today the goal is to get this. I got to pull this out. And then have it flashed, properly flashed, everything else. And then I realized I also forgot to tape the bottom of that. So I'm going to try to slide a piece of tape in there and see if I can get something down there. When we do the deck, we'll have access underneath, so we should be able to seal it up better then. But yeah, I don't want to rip it all out because it was a pain to get in. So we're gonna do that. I don't know how far we'll get. If we do get far enough today, I might start on trying to work on scaffolding so I have access to get up there. But that's the plan for today. Nothing too exciting, but we'll get going. All right, we got a quick change of plans. I'm going to take down the rest of this railing. It's pretty flimsy as is, so it's not really worth anything since we cut out that piece there. And in 4 weeks, I'm hoping to redo this part. I need to take measurements. I got to rip up everything. It's EPMD. Or EPDM. I forget what it's called. But it's the big rubber flooring. They have some seams here which leak into the house. I suspect I don't know if it doesn't look like it's flashed properly, so I need to redo the siding, get the new rubber down, get all that. The railing's gonna have to come down at that point anyways. And the dump trailer's almost full, so I think I'm gonna take it home today, and hopefully rest of this will fit in there. So we'll get going on getting this out, or at least most of it out. All right, we have a new view. This is part of the original truss. I don't know how. It seems pretty solid still. It's kind of weathered. I might run another one inside here at some point, maybe when I do the sheathing, just to double it up for extra strength. I don't know, we'll see. So, but yeah, we can see the creek from down here. I don't know if you can see it, but down there. All right, we got the window in. Let me flip the camera here. It is all flashed and ready to go. I don't know, it's about 2:30ish or so, so I'm not going to do anything else for today. It's too late in the day to get started. So I'm going to load up and head home here and take the dump trailer home. So that's full. So we'll head out shortly. Got it all at least flashed for now. Next week, I should be here as far as I know. I did get this door here. I bought this today. I'm replacing the front door. This one works fine. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. This door works perfectly fine for now. So I'm debating whether or not I want to actually put it in next week. If I don't, then I gotta work on scaffolding so I can get up top there. But because that's gonna be quite the work to get that down like we did on the other side. Do all that. But that's it for this week's video. Hope you all have a good week. See you next week.